Hello everyone. Have you ever tried rendering an SVG element in an image tag? That's not too hard, right? But where it becomes a little bit tricky is when you want to modify the SVG after an event like an on-click on a button. In this video, I want to show you how you could actually do that with React using React props. Let's get started by exporting an SVG element. We'll open Sketch and we will use the star element that we will export as an SVG. Double-clicking on the file should show us the SVG code. We can start by copying it. Actually, the only part that we need is the SVG tag. And then we will create a star.jsx file, which will be used to render the SVG. We will import React in the components class. React. And we'll call the class star, because that's what we're rendering. And we'll just do that. Let's give this a try. We can't see anything. Oh yeah, that's because we did not import it here. Let's import the star. And we'll do that. This should be. So it says module build failed. And it's telling us it's not being able to read this, the comment. React doesn't know how to read these kind of comments, so let's remove it. Let's look again. Now it's telling us that it doesn't support namespace tags. And it's taking us to this thing here. XMLNS column xlink. The thing is, with the React, we have to use Camel casing. Otherwise, React won't know how to interpret this property. We'll remove this column and we'll make the small x, make it a big X. And let's give this a try. There you go. You have a red star. Now let's make this star customizable. Let's make it so that we are allowed to change the color and the size of the star. What I like to use is a package published by the Facebook team. It's called prop types. And basically what it allows you to do is define prop types that you want to allow. And what's neat about it is that you can also define default prop types. If the user does not specify certain props, then you can give them default values. And we want to provide color as well as size. The color we can start with, we can default it to a red color, and the size perhaps 400 pixels. And let's define the props here. Color would be a string, and size would be number. These values here come from the prop types package. You just have to do that. All right. If the user does something like color yellow, then it will come we can grab it from here, from this dot props. And we'll take color and size. Size would go to the width and height. While color would go here. Note that if color is not provided, it'll just default to the red color. We don't need this SVG file anymore because we have the content here. And then let's give this a try. And there you have it, a yellow star. We could modify the size of the star. We could put it 100 pixel and it becomes a small star, or you could put 500 and it's a big star. There you have it. You can now start using SVG in your React components.